Alright, this is gonna be Burrard Elevator B2 at the what's the name of this hospital? The St. Paul's Hospital in Vancouver, British Columbia. This one's been modded. Here's a cab view. Used to be an Otis Black Button, but sadly it was modded. Let's go to LM. Let's get a cab view. This actually is a pretty nice mod, actually. It stops hard. Go to the roof. And here we go. Modded by Richmond elevator. Here on roof.
Burrard roof level.
Well, not really supposed to be good. Does this work? Well, here's a view up top. There's Century Plaza. There's some buildings. Yeah, we're literally on the roof of this building. Overall, this is pretty nice. But I do wish this was original, though. For those wondering, the other elevators aren't going to be modded because apparently either this building's going to get demolished or it's getting gutted out completely, so yeah. Well, here we are on M.
Burrard main floor.
And there's a view of the cab. Alright. Ready? Okay. There it goes. That's it.